On today's menu, a recipe so easy, you just might get carried away. Easy Panang curry. Lay home everyone, I'm Will Young. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't already checked out the first ever vegan ramen cookbook, be sure to do so at the link above or a link in the description box below. Yes, curry paste does take a long time to make normally, but this is an easy way that you can make this incredible curry. Remove the seeds from 10 to 15 dried red chilies. Saucepan. 2 cups water. Cover and bring to a boil. Blender. 1 shallot, roughly chopped. 2 cloves garlic. Just take the stem and just peel down those leaves. 4 kafir lime leaves. A couple peels of lime. Small piece of galangal, roughly chopped. 1 stick lemongrass. 1/2 teaspoon pink salt. 1 small bunch cilantro stems. One tablespoon dark or white miso. Transfer the rehydrated chili peppers to the blender. Now this part is a little bit weird. We're going to add a little bit of that hot water into the blender just to help it blend. Now don't worry too much about it because once we start cooking the paste, the water is going to evaporate. Pulse the blender to get it going, then blend on medium-high. Look at that amazing curry. Saute pan. Medium heat. Couple tablespoons coconut oil. 4 tablespoons chili paste. 1.5 cups canned chickpeas. 1 can full-fat coconut milk. 2 tablespoons cane sugar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Turn the heat up, bring to a boil, then let it simmer on medium for 5 to 7 minutes. Plate. Garnish with fresh cilantro, fresh Thai chilies, and a drizzle of coconut milk. You can now make this incredible curry with absolute confidence. Serve this with some amazing rice and it literally does not get easier than that. Just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.